Lou gets a lot of questions here on HouseSmarts Radio. One he gets often is how to clean that dirty grout. So when we came across this week's New to Lou 2, we couldn't resist and had to test it out ourselves. This week's New to Lou 2 is Grout Groovy, a new product that cleans tile grout from a standing position. It's lightweight, easy to use, and safe on all types of grout. The Electric Grout Cleaning Machine by GroutGroovy was invented to solve an old problem for DIYers, cleaning tile grout without getting on your hands and knees, or replacing it altogether. It's the first electric vertical rotating brush specifically designed to get between the tiles, kind of like flossing your teeth, and doing all the work so you don't have to. All you need is a little bit of soap and water, or your favorite cleaner if you have one, and GroutGroovy will chew through that grime. It's almost like a mini circle saw at the end of a broomstick, but instead of a steel blade, it's a nylon cleaning brush. The brush is super durable, cleans both skinny and wide grout lines, and won't damage the surrounding tile. Now, depending on how dirty your grout is, it may take 2 to 3 passes. And keep in mind, it cleans dirt, not stains. Also remember, wet grout looks dark, so be sure to let it dry overnight after cleaning. Then the next morning, when you go, floss your teeth, you can check out your newly flossed floors. And then you can do your floss happy dance.
Here we go.
Oh, kind of like Lou is doing right now. All right, take a seat. Yeah, I don't think that's how that goes. Yeah, sit down. There you go. Grout Groovy can be found on Amazon, and it retails for about $130. And you can find out more at HouseSmartsRadio.com.
That's this week's New to Lou 2.